Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this andouille sausage sheet pan dinner recipe. Okay, let's get started with this sheet pan dinner. It's super easy, has good amount of vegetables, which is always good. And we've got a sheet tray lined with some parchment paper. And I've got a red and a yellow bell pepper that I've already cut into slices. So we're just going to throw this all together and put it on our sheet tray and then bake it in the oven. So I'm going to mix the peppers with, I've got 12 ounces of frozen butternut squash squares. So these are great. I love to have these always in my freezer just for quick recipes, or just, I can throw these in the air fryer and they're done really quickly. The butternut squash are great to have on hand for just a quick vegetable. I wouldn't recommend frozen bell pepper just because freezing the bell peppers breaks down the fibers and then they just kind of turn to mush when you bake them, but definitely frozen butternut squash. So I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and a teaspoon of kosher salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. So we're gonna mix that all together with some tongs and get those seasonings evenly distributed. Okay, now I'm just gonna dump them all out on my sheet tray. And I have it lined with parchment paper, like I said before, just for easier cleanup. And now we've got 4 andouille sausages, and I'm going to just kind of nestle them in on the sheet tray. And how easy is that? These are going to bake in a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes. You want to make sure that the internal temperature of the sausages come up to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, our andouille sausage and vegetables is out of the oven. It looks so good. I let it cool for a little bit just so I don't burn my mouth. So let's get a little bite. I'm gonna get a piece of butternut squash. See, a little piece of pepper. Look how good that looks. That is tasty. The sausage has just a little bit of spice and the vegetables are perfectly seasoned. You guys have got to check out this recipe. It's so easy. It's so easy. And you could even like put the sausages in hot dog buns and then put the vegetables on top. So good. So anyway, check out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.